If you're looking to refresh your laundry room on a budget, here are 5 easy updates that can make a big impact. This small space is the perfect spot to go bold and try out that vibrant color you've been eyeing. A bright orange or teal blue on the walls or cabinets will make you look forward to doing laundry. Want to add unique patterns and personality to your space? Try peel and stick wallpaper in a bold graphic or a dainty floral print. Use peel and stick tiles as a backsplash or on the floor to elevate the space. From faux marble to penny tile, you'll get style with zero grouting required. Open shelving makes storage both practical and pretty. Go vertical with a freestanding unit, or choose wall-mounted shelves in an elegant gold finish. Add woven baskets for essentials like detergent and softener. Add a folding station by laying a piece of butcher block over your front-load washer and dryer. This small upgrade makes the most of even the smallest laundry rooms. Try these easy and budget-friendly updates to make laundry day more enjoyable.